Our topic is does the higher maths has any value in the practical life? No, we can't totally disagree that higher maths have no value in the practical life. But still, we can say when we go for our graduation to the colleges, then there is no value of the higher maths as we do not study the higher maths over there. There is just a simple maths we have to study. For such courses like BBA and BCom, I am having my friend over there, he is studying, and he was not good in 11-12 maths, but he's doing good over there as there is no high maths over there.
Sorry for interrupting you. I would like to present. I am really saying that you gave a valid point. In our practical life, in just our recent life, I am saying you gave a valid point related to that. But let me show you the other part of the story. Is that various simple topics of higher maths that students generally, I am just giving an intro about those topics that students generally didn't like. One of it is derivative. In derivative is of highly importance in theory of relativity. We all know it helps us to know the change of one substance in relation to the other. And I mean, if you are ignoring the importance of higher maths in graduation level, don't ignore it in physical laws. Physical laws that prevail everywhere. And the examples of integration that everyone really hates. In class 12, it was the subject that we all hated by the core of our hearts, and it was a thing that has application in finding the areas of complex.
Maths is one subject which has the most relevance to our practical life. No other subject is as relevant as maths, and one topic which I think everyone would agree would be permutation and combinations. It is a very relevant topic to our practical life. You have to select 10 things out of 20. You can use permutation.
At this point, I want to say that we never calculate the height of a car using a trigonometry solution, or we never calculate the area of a building by using formulas. That includes higher maths.
There is also one more topic, probability, which is also used in our day-to-day life. For example, if I have taken a ticket of a lottery, so I will see what's the probability of winning.
I would like to say that higher maths may have some value in a professional life, but as in a day-to-day life, I feel it has no relevance. Like someone gave the example of this permutation combination. I would like to ask how many of us are choosing our colleges on the basis of permutation and combination.
I will tell you how it will help you
Guys, permutation and combination is not a part of higher maths.
It is.
It is
a part of higher maths.
You all of us take management. I tell you how it will help you in management. You have 20 juniors to you. You have to find 5 combinations. One has to teach this, one has to take up this, one has to take up this. Through permutation and combination, you could see how many combinations of 5 people you could bring out of that.
One at a time.
Let others say.
What I would like to say is, yes, there are some topics which are highly relevant in our practical life which can be used, but people are not making use of it because there are other ways in which they can do it. There are other ways. So higher maths is not actually irrelevant also. It actually sharpens our ability to think, and it helps us in many other ways. But we are not actually using that basis, the thing which we have learned. We are not applying it to our practical life and making use of it. The probability, permutation and combination.
But my friend, I would like to show you the another side of the story. Like, if you are saying that we are not seeing the application, we students are not seeing the application, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. I mean, there are people sitting way beyond us. I mean, the scientists, they know the value of math. Why the IITs, maths is so important. Why even I don't understand its importance here, but in technical field, in scientific field, it has importance. And all the laws that are followed are derived from linear and non-linear mathematical equations only.
In addition to what my friend here has said, I would respect what he's saying, because what I feel is that maths is not streamlined according to the science and commerce streams. I would certainly agree to that what commerce students study in maths is to a certain point, like vectors and all, is not relevant, and probably they don't find its application
Using higher maths in our practical life, we will be called a smart work. For example, if we apply our higher maths in our day-to-day life, it will help us a lot.
Yes, agree with my friend and like, yes, no doubt.
Guys, we all know that
yes, it
higher
will
maths
help us. It can be used, but it is not being used.
Yeah.
So what we are discussing here is that doesn't help us in our practical life. It is not
We are
being used.
discussing practical life. Practical life is not restrained to a student life only. It is not restrained to a management life only. It has physics, it has chemistry. Practical life also follows that. Science, the laws of science are relevant everywhere, and the laws of motion is relevant everywhere.
I respect your point.
I want to take it to a different dimension. I think it is important for practical life. Teachers who are teaching higher maths, it's important for them to know that higher maths. Without that, how can they teach in their practical life?
I respect your point of view, but I would like to say that we people are humans. We are not robots or something that we will do stuff mechanically. We put in the emotions and then select whatever we want to select.
See, maths does not help you reach
But
a
emotions
conclusion.
don't run the universe. It is the physical law that runs the universe.
Aids to help you reach a conclusion. It's not the final solution. It just helps you reach there.
Can anyone tell me why do we study? Can anyone tell me why do we study? Because we study because that what we study we can apply in our day-to-day life.
A person having an aim of a teacher, of becoming a teacher of higher maths, would always like to study higher maths because he wants to teach it to their students. That's why it has relevance. There is no point that it has no relevance in the practical life.
Actually, no subject has much relevance. If you study eco, it's not like you're going to become a finance minister the next day. But you study it. You can't say we don't have relevance to this subject, so we won't study it.
Okay,
You have
talk
to
about
study.
here the topic is
And
not
I do
going.
not agree with you here. Economics, it is such a wide subject that you are talking about here. Economics.
Yeah,
is
economics
also
is
study-
short.